Ankit, tell us a little more about your company, what you do.
Okay, so we are from Vejageeks Private Limited, but trade main name is W Geeks Private Limited. We are actually from Indore. We are India-based IT service company. We are IT first company. We actually provide all the services that are based on iGaming, right? We actually provide all the sport book development, all the casino book development for our clients, and all our products are tailored as per the client requirement. We actually tailor all the solutions that they ask for us, and our main flagship point is that we are trying to implement AI with all the iGaming tech that we are introducing. We are trying to blend everything and to get a best product out of it so that our client can have a very good experience with our company.
So your clients are iGaming clients, right?
Yeah.
So what do you do for them? What all stuff?
Okay. For them, actually, we are working for iGaming. We are working in various verticals, and as I said, all our products are extremely tailored for our client requirements. Most prominently, we are working for sport book development, casino book development. We actually provide all the third-party integration services.
Okay.
Like whenever client comes to us and they ask to integrate a casino or integrate a live casino or any third-party services, any payment gateways, anything, we have an expert development team that cater to all the needs of our client that client brings to us.
So at this event right now, what we are seeing is there are a lot of payment providers.
Yeah.
So when you do this service or provide this integration service, you can integrate with any payment provider.
Yeah,
whatever they
definitely. We
ask
can
for, right?
integrate. We have an expert team that can integrate any payment providers, and that also in the minimum possible time as compared to any market leaders that we have. And we have a very limited time and very feasible price for everything that we do. Yeah.
So whom do you compete with? I mean, are there any other services companies also which you see competing here globally, or you think that you're making a difference from?
Yeah, see, there are a lot of companies that are available in this particular market, in iGaming market. But the point is that I believe is we should be our wholesale competition, right?
Yeah.
We should be our competition that we are doing better than ourselves. That we were doing a month ago, previously a month ago, or maybe a one day ago, right? So we should be our own competition, right? So actually we are providing all the services, and yes, as I said, there are a lot of companies that are doing this particular stuff. They are all into iGaming. But yeah, our wholesale motto is we should provide a better product for our client, and as such I think that if we are providing a best product for the industry and for the client, then you have no competition present in the market.
Yeah. No, I agree.
Yeah.
I think, I mean, this is a personal opinion that I think Indore is making a big difference.
Yeah.
I have seen a lot of other companies also coming from Indore who are kind of doing a lot of very good development.
Yeah.
I think Engineer Babu or something, there is one more company there, right?
As I said, there are a lot of companies who are into this particular field.
Yeah.
But again, the point is what differentiator you are setting from them, and you need to be a very better person and better providing services. Right.
And I think you are focusing on a very specific niche.
Yeah.
Right, like the
That is our, I guess, that is our expert domain. That is our expertise. That we provide a very good solution. That we have client retention and everything, and we provide best products to our client. We try to provide best services to our client. Okay, so we have the best solutions that we provide to our client, and all those are tailored as per their requirements. So as I was saying, that we need to be the best in our industry to provide to maintain, to retain all the clients that we have, and to provide them a best possible solution that we can provide to any client. Yeah.
Right. So how has this event been for you?
Yeah, it's been a great event. As I said, that we provide all the third-party services, we provide all kind of integration, and in this event, there are a lot of third-party integrations, as there are a lot of payment gateway integrations. There are a lot of big aggregators that we have had a chit chat with. So yeah, this event.
So you might have got a lot of partners, I would say.
Yeah.
Right?
We have talked with various people, and we got a very good response from them regarding the third-party services and everything. So yeah, the event has been great till now.
Yeah, because I think then your suite of partners also becomes very large.
Yeah.
You can integrate with so many of them.
Yeah. Exactly.
So one question I also saw a few people here who are into KYC verification and all of that. So do you do that kind of stuff also if somebody wants?
Yeah. As I said, we can provide any services in the iGaming sector that the client wants. We have no limitations on everything, anything, right? If they want that, they come to us and they say any tailored requirement that nobody else is providing. Like most of the people are providing, there is a differentiator. Like many people are providing white label solutions, and they are sticking to very limited change, right? So that it covers up all the financial and commercials. But we are here, we are setting a differentiator here. We provide everything that the client wants in the feasible range that the client wants.
Right. And how do you think that you are competitive in terms of pricing?
Yeah, that is a good point. And for pricing, that I just said, that all the prices and all the services that we provide for the industry, they all are very feasible and pocket friendly for all our clients.
Okay, got
so
it,
that
got
is a differentiator for us, and in that particular price, we provide best services to client that anybody can provide in the sector.
Right. And when did you start? When did this company start?
It has been a journey of 4 years till now. We have started our operations in 2020.
Okay.
So yeah, there is
So
a
you
long
are
story.
you are I would say a pandemic baby company.
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
You
yeah.
started at that time.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. So, given your experience with the iGaming clients and everything, what do you see the role of awareness of the clients in the space of fraud has been? Are they aware of fraud? Do they want you to build anti-fraud solutions for them?
Yeah, definitely.
Have you seen your clients asking for anti-fraud solutions to be built for them?
Yeah, definitely. There is a lot of awareness in the clients about the anti-fraud solutions and all the risk management things that they are asking. They are definitely putting all the requirements around it, because when you are working in iGaming, there are a lot of stuff that can happen around, and that all happens in a jiffy.
Yeah.
Client do not get any indication that this is going to happen. Like in the matches also, there is a lot of stuff going on. So definitely, when they comes to us for any requirement, sport books or whether in casino book, they ask us to integrate all the risk management features where they have different kind of limits.
Right.
And it's all the game of brainstorming that client can do. That what actually a client is very smart nowadays. What they actually do is they research whole of the industry. Like this particular platform is having this kind of risk management feature. This particular platform is having this kind of risk management feature. So I need this. They come to us with whole lot of custom requirement. So it also provides us a very good opportunity to brainstorm on new things.
Correct. And also, do you do your R&D and you suggest them? That, I mean, they may come with 20 requirements, but do you also go back and suggest that, okay, this is feasible, but I would suggest that rather you do this instead of this?
Yeah, definitely. We have our whole team there. The process is very simple. The client comes to us, they bring us the requirement, we analyze their requirement, and as per we as a company, we have started 4 years ago, but all the developers and I also have almost 10 years of experience in this iGaming industry. So what we actually do, we gather their requirements, we understand their requirements, and then we also suggest them back that instead of doing this, you can do this particular risk management. It will be very helpful to control all the things. So we also provide suggestions on their side, but again, it all rests in the hands of the client. That,
but I think it also reflects that you have domain expertise.
It also reflects our professionalism and our niche towards domain and our expertise. Right.
So one final question. I mean, how many people do you have in the company, and all of them operate out of Indore?
Yeah, most of them are operate out of Indore, and we have a lot of remote workers as well. We are basically on the things like you do remote work, because that increases the productivity of everyone if they are near towards their family and they are working for you. And we rely on all our developers. They are very trustworthy, and every employee we trust them with their work. So yeah, we are good with it, and we mostly provide the remote works. So this is our whole model, that put the person in their comfort zone and they will give their best out of it.
Right. Yeah. And mostly your clientele is out of Europe and US or India also?
No, we basically do not work with most of the Indian clients. We basically work on Europe, we work with Africa, we work with Latin America. These are our client bases.
Got it. No, it was very useful to understand. I think you gave me a very good idea in terms of what you do, your competitiveness, your pricing edge, your working culture, the way you do it. I think it is very useful. Anything you would want to say to your potential customers, you can say.
Yeah, again, the thing is, we are the competitive persons, and we can definitely provide you everything that our clients need depending upon their tailored requirements. And yes, we are open to any sector of the iGaming, and yes, we always look forward to provide and deliver the best solution that a client can have in the iGaming industry.
Perfect. Thank you so much, man.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thanks
so
for
much,
having
Arkrit, for your time. Thanks, man.